and you'll come back and you'll see how your life has completely changed. Hey and welcome back to my channel. We are in this setting after quite a long while. मैंने बहुत टाइम से इधर बैठ के वीडियोस नहीं बनाई हैं. But today's video, since in my last video you guys told me that you really want to know how to make a vision board, and who better to tell you how to make a vision board than me, because the major things that I had in my vision board came true, and I'm gonna tell you exactly how to make a vision board. You know, I do not give you any sort of bullshit advice. I'm gonna give you proper advice without having to waste a lot of resources and time. Number one, you need to feel first of all as your higher self. सोचो कि आप ये जो भी पिक्चर्स हैं, ठीक है, जो भी आप अपने विजन बोर्ड पे लगाओगे, आप ये पिंटरेस्ट से निकालोगे, ठीक है. यू हैव टू थिंक एज इफ ये पिक्चर्स आप अपनी गैलरी में से निकाल रहे हो. दिस इज हाउ आई जस्ट मेक अप माई माइंड कि कोई भी ऐसी पिक्चर मुझे लगानी है जिसमें पहली बात तो आई कैन लाइक दैट रिजेंबल्स to me. Like, even if there's a girl who's like winning an award, she should be a brunette with like similar features as mine. It's just something I do. Then I'll tell you पहले तो कि steps कैसे करते हैं, and then what I do personally. First thing is that you have to make like a list of goals कि आपको next year क्या क्या goals करना है. What I do is I divide it into two goals: personal and professional. ठीक है, like for example my personal goals would be traveling, eating good food, going to the gym. You will see how I make the whole vision board पूरे video के end तक. And then in professional goals it would be growing my company, getting more brand collaborations. ठीक है, this is how I divide it. आपके goals अलग हो सकते हैं, आप professional या फिर पढ़ाई related goals plus personal goals are also very very important. You understand this? Now you go on Pinterest and you search, like for example अगर आपका पहला personal goal है traveling with girls, search for a girls trip and then see which picture resembles you guys so much और आपको लग रहा है बिल्कुल हम तो ऐसा कर ही सकते हैं. Like, make it realistic but don't tone it down because the universe is not on a budget. Think of it as a wish list. Like, sometimes I pick up so many pictures that मुझे समझ ही नहीं आता है कि मैं इतना सारा उस कोलाज में फिट कैसे करूं, which did happen with me this time also. So pick pictures that you know will come true, and as I said in the beginning of the video, think of it as it's your gallery. Right now, as you're speaking to me, I want to tell you the stuff I had on my vision board last time and what came true. I have my laptop here with me just to check the receipts. Firstly, we have this, a picture of a girl working, and this year I launched my own tableware brand. It's a whole company that I launched, and I am the founder of the company. Next is shooting, and here you see it. I went for so many shoots this year. Touch one. Next is this, and now you might be thinking this is just somebody eating pasta. No, it's actually someone eating noodles in some other country, and I wanted to do it too. I didn't go where she went, but I did go to Thailand and had lots and lots of noodles. And then I also did have YouTube and silver play button. Even though we didn't hit 100K, we're pretty close. Like, I don't know how much we'll be on by the time this video goes up, but I think we'll be very very close to 70,000 followers. And I also showed up in y'all's YouTube recap, which is an honor. Then being financially independent. The last time I took money from my parents was, I think, 2 months after I graduated. Bas. Uske baad se I haven't. By God's grace and by the hard work and my vision board and universe. Then there was going on a trip with my boyfriend to a beach, and that's what we did. So these were the major things. There are a lot of small things also that came true, like losing weight and eating healthy and stuff like that. But most important is you need to believe. ठीक है, this is not just कि आपने एक विजन बोर्ड बना दिया है, आपने कोई कोलाज बना दिया है और ये आपके किसी कमरे में सड़ा हुआ है. नहीं, you have to believe. Like, if you can feel that you're rich, you're already rich. Like, it's just a matter of time. Like, I personally believe that if there's a pull, like for example, आप नीट के पेपर दे रहे हो, if there's a pull that you want to be a doctor, it's because you already are. It's just that आपकी wavelengths match नहीं हो रही because you can't believe it right now. So as soon as you believe it, your wavelength will literally match your future self's wavelength, and you'll get what is meant for you will come to you. It will take its time क्योंकि हम लोग meditate नहीं करते, हम लोग manifest नहीं करते, हम अपने आप पे विश्वास नहीं कर सकते. There's so much self-doubt. But that's what we do not need anymore. We're not taking that with ourselves in 2026. My whole life changed, okay? This whole year, 2025 was the white rabbit for me, mainly because I became financially independent, and I know most of the people watching my video also want to be financially independent. I think it's only me and my best friend who are doing social media. Others are doing jobs and they also work towards your goal. अब मैं ये नहीं बोल रही हूँ कि आप बिल्कुल अपने कमरे में बैठ के बस मैनिफेस्ट करते रहो और आपको जॉब मिल जाएगी. नहीं, you have to work towards it. It's just a matter of time. Like, you manifest while working and you get it. And even if you're somebody who does not believe in the universe or God, or you're just an atheist, let me explain something to you very easily and very scientifically. A very basic example is when you wake up, 99% of us, we just open our phones. That's why we always get this pull throughout the day to use our phones. Just once. For me, try waking up and not touching your phone and maybe drinking water. And you will see throughout the day you would only want to drink water. That is how your mind works. Whatever you feed to your mind first thing in the morning is what it craves throughout. And the point of having a vision board, or like, just a magic board in front of you, is every single morning, if I wake up, you guys can't see, but here I have put my vision board on that wall. I wake up, I look at it at least once a day, okay? At least once a day. And then subconsciously, my mind picks up one picture. Hold on, I'll show you. It's a little faded right now because obviously एक साल से ऐसे पड़ा है. But if this is my vision board, even if I'm looking at this picture, ठीक है, Forbes. I am not in Forbes, but am I close to it? Hell yeah. I have my own company and I'm 22 years old. And then I wake up, I read this quote which says, I get rich doing what I love. And that's literally how my life is going. You can't tell me that stuff does not work for you. Now, this was the whole explanation if you did not believe in it. If you already believe in it, before believing in anything, you need to believe in yourself. You do not know, the way you talk, everything just goes into the universe. I fully believe that there are angels all around us, and whatever we say, one of those 100 angels just picks it up and they're like, okay. That's why जब भी मैं इंटरनेट पे किसी को भी बोलते हुए देखती हूँ कि पता नहीं भगवान चाहते ये थे कि मेरी जिंदगी खराब हो जाए, ये हो जाए. No, don't do. The reason why you keep getting interrupted by obstacles in life is because you're so comfortable with it. Like, you've made yourself so comfortable with obstacles, and just like, before saying God has given me so much, I am so grateful. I have so much to look forward to. You're like, पता नहीं मेरे साथ ही ऐसा क्यों होता है, जब देखो मेरे साथ ही होता है. अभी हम बाहर जा रहे हैं, मेरे साथ ही होगा, तुम देख लेना. अभी हम बाहर जाएंगे, मेरा फोन ऑफ हो जाएगा. अभी तुम ये करोगे, मेरा वो हो जाएगा. I understand that sometimes stuff makes you negative, okay? But human tendency is to focus on the negative stuff more. This is not what we have to do. So while you're making your vision board, before even putting the pictures together, I want you to sit down and just, take a deep breath. Listen to me, like literally follow these steps. And this is how I got everything up, and I want you to get everything too. Sit down, take deep breaths, okay? And then keep your eyes shut. Think of a white light, okay, on top of you. Just think of a white light. This is what I do personally. And you can close your eyes right now also while I'm explaining it to you. Think of it as a podcast or a guided meditation. While your eyes are shut, this white light is something that calls your name. It's sort of like a tunnel or a bridge that once you walk over the bridge and once you cross the bridge, that's your dreamland. Everything that you've thought of is there. Once you're walking towards that light, imagine your future self standing there. How would you imagine them? Maybe in a strong suit, holding a very expensive bag, wearing some expensive shades, or maybe in a lab coat, however you imagine them, and let them give you their hand, and then you hold their hand, and then they take you to that land, okay? And that's when you take another, a few more deep breaths, and then you come back. Now, think of it this way, that you're already your highest self. Like, how would you go about your day? And then start making your vision board. That's when you will feel like it's your gallery that you're going through and not Pinterest. And I kid you not, next year in 2026, just mid 2026, you and I will have a chat and you'll tell me how many things have come true. Because I can promise you this works. There is no reason for me to sit here in my room and telling you stuff if it didn't work. You all know I do not bullshit, as I said earlier. So now I'll tell you how I make my vision board. As I said, I like to divide it in personal goals and professional goals. First thing I did was that I have to go to New York. You guys are getting a New York vlog. I don't know how I will do it, but I'm going to do it. So first thing I put up is a New York ticket. Then I want to work with a lot of brands. Hence, I put Airbnb, I want to work with them. I put H&M, I want to work with them. I put Zara Home, I want to work with them. I put a few other brands also that I want to work with as Vestigia. So I've put that. Then again, personal life, I'm eating healthy. I'm eating Asian food with my boyfriend, hopefully in another country. I'm working. I'm going scuba diving. This year, I have to learn how to swim. I don't know how I'll do it, but I'm gonna do it. I'm walking down the red carpet. It's gonna happen. The universe is not on a budget. You see how I'm making all of this up for myself, but I haven't done any of these things, okay? Any of these things. But I just know, like, I know I'm going to do it. I'm not only gonna work towards it, this that you see, this is my life. Like, all of this is me. That's my mindset, and that's the kind of mindset that you also want. Then I want to be on a cover of a magazine. I want to be on a billboard. I want to get my silver 100k plaque. So if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. And then I have a few quotes like, what the fuck, I make 4 million a month, or like, I can afford anything. Now you tell me, if this is the first thing that I see when I wake up, who is going to stop me? I'm gonna become unstoppable. Like, nobody can stop me. And this is how you need to be too. You need to believe that all of this is just something that you have to work towards a little. And then not only कि आप एक बार आपने vision board बना दिया, आपने कहीं रख दिया, and then you look at it, it will come true. Your stuff will come true. But what will help? Affirmations. First and the most important thing is working towards it. But उसके अलावा affirmations. My favorite ones are saying, I get paid to do things that I love. You can say, I am a money magnet. Opportunities come to me. The money I give comes back to me tenfold. Like, just these things. Why I'm pushing कि आप affirmations बोलो is because, see, right now I am very comfortable with just believing, like being delusional that, yeah, this is my life, because it is my life. Like, I am just going to put it out there. If any angel around me is hearing, I'm putting it out there. But for you, it could be a little difficult to just like change your mindset, which is why if you keep saying affirmations and you keep saying nice stuff about yourself, trust me बहन, मैं बता रही हूँ, कोई ऐसी चीज नहीं है जो आप कर ही नहीं पाओगे. कौन रोक सकता है आपको? Any limit is just in your head. There are no boundaries. Like, you can be as delusional. If other people have it, you can have it too. Literally, if other people have it, it's not impossible. And it's not just a dream. I don't care if anybody's coming from generational wealth. You will make your own generational wealth. You will change the whole kismat of your bloodline. That's what you need to believe. And that's what will happen. I get so into it while explaining these things to you. Believe in it so badly. Like, I'm not getting paid to say this, right? The universe isn't paying me. Like, otherwise I would have a paid partnership with the universe also. But the best thing you can do for yourself is work towards your goals, make this vision board, say all kinds of nice things, say all kinds of affirmations. If you have any doubts about affirmation or anything, you can ask me in the comment section. One most common one that I keep getting is that whenever I'm trying to, like just envision something, bad things come into my head. That's fine. एक बारी में करके तो आप perfect वैसे भी नहीं हो सकते. Give it time, but just keep like either before sleeping or after waking up. These 2 times when your brain is, it's in rest mode and you don't have a lot of shit going on inside your head, that's when you sit and manifest. I also recommend keeping a journal. I also have a journal, and write letters to yourself as your future self. Like, I would write letters to myself as the 30-year-old Pianchi. I'm just telling you how it goes. Hi, I hope you're doing well. Because of all the mehnat that you did in my 30s, I am here in Italy holding a Birkin, drinking my Aperol spritz, and life is very good. I can't wait for you to grow up and experience this. Just this stuff. Like, it's as simple. And I don't give a fuck if it sounds cuckoo to anybody, because if it works for me, I'm gonna do it, okay? And we will not take any judgment. So once your vision board is ready, get it printed. Believe it or not, this vision board, I mean your vision board, it's going to be your life next year. If not next year, it's next to next year. But this is coming. The reason why you picked, like, these pictures were meant to be picked by you. It was universe's plan to show me these pictures, and I'm gonna make mine come true, just like you're gonna make yours come true. And we'll come back in the end of 2026 and we'll make another vision board together. But trust me, if you follow what I said, but you're not only going to achieve stuff, it's going to help you so much mentally, even helping you with your confidence, because now you know, like, there's something to look forward to. Every year I make vision boards. I'm like, ठीक है, अब मैं देखती हूँ ये चीज़ कब सच होती है, अब ये चीज़, like, I always have something to look forward to. Like in my last vision board, when it was just about the beach thing, but I was so excited to go on this trip with my boyfriend, not only because it was a trip with my boyfriend, but also because this was one major thing that I had on my vision board and it came true. And click a picture. Always take a picture and you'll come back and you'll see how your life has completely changed. And you're gonna thank me, but I don't want you to thank me. I want you to thank yourself that you clicked on this and you watched it till here. And just over this weekend, make a vision board. And please, if you make the vision board, send me a picture of it on Instagram. I would love to see your vision boards. And in 2026, you and I are gonna be unstoppable. So if you've reached till this part of the video, leave an affirmation below for yourself by saying 2026 is going to be my year. Or simply write, I'm going to have the best year of my life. आप इतना लिखोगे ना, that's also an affirmation for yourself. And I'll get to know that you guys watched it till here. Anyway, I hope you guys took something from this video. Even if you don't make a vision board, even if you just do some sort of affirmations for yourself, that's more than enough for me, and it will be enough for you. And working towards yourself in whichever silly manner that you like or applies to you is never a waste of time. And I will now see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you so much. And you and I, we're gonna have some fun next year. Tab tak, take care. Bye. Okay, I'll give you a proper kiss. Only with the girls though. Bye.